When she walks into a room, she lights it up.
Nina.
People feel really included when they're having a conversation with you. When somebody's interviewing you, they're looking for that engaging personality that you have.
So special.
My name is Nina, I'm 18, and I'm from Spryfield, Nova Scotia. Learning to work with people from very different backgrounds was really fun for me because that's something I hadn't really done before. Coming in, I was very nervous about being in a workforce, and most people said I wouldn't enjoy my first job, but I kind of like it. Haley, she really cheered me on and made me feel like I was doing a really good job, which drove me to do even better. Having her there to really support me and teach me things and get me through the program was really nice to have. I had just graduated high school and was looking for a job of some kind. The people you work with, it's not just people that you see and you say hi to, it's definitely people you work with and you build these friendships with them and learn off of each other. If I were to describe Youth Live in one word, it would be family.